Hello, my name's Chris. I'm a driving instructor in Northampton, and this video, quick live video, is really just to try and find out what it is you would like to know in order to ensure that you've got enough information to pass your driving test in Northampton. This is my first ever live Facebook feed, so I'm really keen to sort of try and use this platform to engage with you, and really it's just about trying to find out what information you want for future live broadcasts that I'm going to do. A little bit about me. I'm Chris Barker. I'm a driving instructor with Driving Skills Academy. I've helped lots of learners pass their test here in Northampton. My background is that I've worked in the emergency services, so I've got a vast amount of driving experience, and a lot of that experience translates really nicely into making sure I keep you safe during your driving lessons, and that you end up being a safe driver after passing your test as well. So what is it then that you would like to find out more information about? Is it, how do I start this whole process of learning to drive? How do I get my provisional license? How do I pass my theory test? That kind of information. Do you want to look at things like top 10 reasons for failing driving tests so you don't make those same mistakes? Is it that you want to have a look at typical test routes, or what to expect on your test? Because it's quite a daunting experience if you've not done something like that before. A test where you've got a person sat alongside you assessing you can be a little bit unnerving if you don't know what to expect. There are some other things we might want to have a look at. How long should it take you to pass your driving test if you're a parent looking at this? How long is your friend going to take, or your child going to take, in order for them to pass their test? All those kind of things I want to be able to sort of try and provide answers to in future broadcasts for you. How do you get insured? How are mum and dad going to help? If you're looking at your son or daughter having driving lessons, what can you do to help? Would you like more information on that? So there's a whole range of things, and I really want to try and narrow it down initially just to things that are really important for you. So please, in the comments below, leave what you would like to hear about in future broadcasts. And also, if you want more information about me and the driving lessons that I can provide, or the intensive courses that I do, or even if you're maybe a driver that's been out on the roads for a little while and not feeling very confident about your driving skills, maybe you've got a problem with your parking and things like that, then we can have a look at those and bring those in. Sammy, hi, thanks for your message. Just asked what age can you start driving. It depends. Most people, it's 17 years of age. You can apply for your provisional license before then. If you have a disability, then it can be a little bit before that, so it can be maybe from 16 years old. It just depends. But if you want to send me some more details privately about who it is that needs that information, I can maybe send some details across for you. Hope that helps. But if you want some more, anybody else wants any more information as well, then please leave some information in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer those for you. Alternatively, you can go to the website, which is www.drivingskillsacademy.co.uk. Please do put some comments in. You're welcome, Sammy. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye for now.